Hey, this is Sridhar from wpdevdesign.com. In this video, I want to show how we can build query strings, especially for Oxygen. So let's say I go ahead and add a easy posts element, and on this page, I would like to display content from two specific pages. So if I go to query, go to custom and set the post type to page. So in the filtering section, there is no way that I can specify the IDs of the pages that I would like to be used. So we need to go to manual and we need to write something like this: post type is equal to page and then what? If we take a look at this particular GitHub reference, you can see that all the query parameters are typically given as array values. So array pairs, this is the key and this is the value. So this entire thing is a key value pair. Now we cannot use that because it expects us to send or pass a query string. So if we look at the codex, so this is exactly what I'm trying to do. I want to specify the post type as page. So this part we have managed by writing that. And now we need to specify post underscore underscore in and then array the IDs of the pages that I would like to be used. So this has to be a way, there should be a way by which you can change this into something that we can paste in here. So and that exactly is this function which is built into WordPress called build underscore query, and this takes a array as a parameter. So let's see how we can use this function to solve the problem. So I'm gonna create a code block just as a temporary thing. So in this code block, I'm going to define a array and like that. So here we're just we are specifying a array that contains our query parameters, and what we need to do is just build a query like so. So we are just echoing and we are calling the function build underscore query, and we are passing the above parameter, which is the data. So now if I apply the code, so this is the query string that I need to be pasting, but I need to first customize this, change the values of the IDs to what I would like to be shown. So let's say I want to show these two pages, about me, about us, and this has an ID of 24. I can say that by looking at the URL of the hyperlink. You can also see that by clicking on this, and it will show that value, the ID here in the URL. So this is 24 and this is 23. Okay, let's say I would like to have this appear in the exact order, about me first and then about us. So we'll give it in this order only, 24 and 23. Okay, so I'm going to go back here and change this to 24 and 23. Okay, and apply the code, and let's save the page. And you can see this is the query string that we need to pass. So this code block has done its job. I can delete it now. So I'll go back to easy posts, query, manual, oh my God, and paste the generated query string. And now when I apply the query parameters, it should display the 2 pages. Alright, I hope you found this helpful. Bye for now.